got it.
Go!
I got it.
Cool. You open them up.
I did it. What's this?
That's your card. From Big Nanny.
Big Nanny.
Got one. Mickey Mouse.
Oh.
What's that?
Got one again.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
My dinosaur.
That's a dinosaur. Oh my gosh.
And I look forward. I'm going to open it.
Here you go. Hang on. Happy birthday, Elijah.
I can't find my Nana.
Mmm.
Nan. I can't go and find Nan.
Nan's not here.
What?
Nan's not here. Nan's at her playing.
Yeah.
What's your present?
What's this?
Look it open.
Open it.
Open it. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my god.
Have you got a truck?
No.
Oh my gosh. That's a big crane, Elijah. Look. You need your keys to start your...
Ooh.
Okay, let's pull it out, eh?
No. Stay here.
Eh?
Stay in. What's this?
Look.
This for me?
It's for you. Do you want to try and sit on it?
No.
Let him do it on his own time, baby. Wow, Nanny bought by you that truck.
And I'll pull in pocket later.
Okay. Happy birthday to Elijah. Happy birthday to Elijah. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Nanny, Annie and Elijah.